quickly, we're learning how to create this. Let me quickly import it so we'll see what we are creating very quickly. We're learning how to create a simple name logo like this. Alright, so this is what we want to recreate. So first off, I'll quickly delete, or let's just make this name become Eugene Dozier. So we are trying to make our name with our initials. So the first thing for Eugene Dozier is E and D. So I do capital letter E and capital letter D. Alright, and then you OK it. Then the next thing you want to do, you see, I can still use this font if I want to, but I want us to use a very simple font. Once you create this, is your text. The next thing you want to do is to import your shape and use this as your shape too. So once you import this shape, alright, you can give the shape a color black. Good. Then that's good. Then you import your text. This is our text we've already written. Alright, so now go to text to the A sign there, and then you quickly go to padding and increase it to the left and increase it to the right. You can also increase it to the left, right. Yes, that's good. Okay, now the next thing you want to do is to go to your shape tool again. Then you import this, select the circle. Right, you can give the circle a black color or a white color is fine. So I'm doing the inverse of this. Right, so this is what we want to achieve, a white with a black overlay. So let's create exactly this. So then our square shape, we can change the color to white quickly. Right, once the color is white, good. You see, we can't see that yellow, that circle again, so we have to change the color of the circle to black. Good. And then we bring to the front. This is to bring to the front. This sign here means to bring to the front, while this other one means to bring to the back. Right, so quickly we bring this to the front. Good. Alright, so trying to achieve this simple design. Then we increase the font. So if the initials of your name is Favor Michael, you can quickly do Favor F and M together. Alright, so what we are trying to create this Eugene Dozier. Alright, so depending on how you want to use your font, but it's for a stylish design, so it's most likely better to use a stylish font. That's why I'm going with this font. But if you want to change the font, you quickly come to this sign here, click on font, and then you use a more stylish, let's use this dope style font. Good. So I have something like this. If this does not satisfy you, right, I can also go and select a different font. Alright, so let's go down and check for a very stylish font. Youth Power. Alright, so I'm using this. It's just a simple initial design. Now once you have gotten this, you can make it bold and it's slightly away from the circle, but everybody can see this is E and D. Alright, once you're done, you padlock them so they don't move. Padlock them. Then there's still one more thing. You can then duplicate the font you used. Now you change the color to black. Alright, then you change the name to your name. So I'm using my initials, Eugene Dozier. Eugene Dozier. Alright. Eugene Dozier, okay. Good, so I'll quickly reduce the font size. This is too big. If you want to also reduce the font size, you can just come to this button here. You see size, reduce it. Good. So once you have that, you can find it, you use your relative tool and you position it well. Good, we now have this. We have Eugene Dozier. Alright, so once you have gotten this, you are almost done with the design. The next thing you want to do now is to add this this effect too. Alright, but let me show you guys one quick trick. If you want to move this black and ED as a full-bodied item. You select the both of them. Alright, we click on this button here to select these two. Then after that, we click on this button to merge them. But we are not merging this time around. What we are trying to do now is to move the both of them. So we click on this button, use the positioning tool, and then we move them upward. Can you see? Can you see? If you want them to move a little bit slower or bigger, alright? So we take it a little bit upward. And also, we can also use the centralization tool. By the time we select this and this, we use the centralization tool to centralize it at the middle of the design. Alright, so once that is done, you then padlock your designs and then take Pigeon to a little bit upward. Alright, then the next thing you want to now do is to lock it so it doesn't move, and then we'll add this our shape. The next thing we want to do now is to add this symbol here, this thing like a line. So to do that, quickly you come to this place, alright, and make sure you're not selecting anything. Once you come here, you see draw. Alright, then you reduce the pen size to like say 5, smoothness increase it to be very smooth, and then you try and achieve that signature move there, something like this. Alright, don't like it, to go back till you get a nice fashion of it. Alright, so alright, then I could do it like that. Good, I think this is okay for me. I can change the color to green. I can come to change the color, give it a color. I can use a red, but since for the design we are using black, we just maintain the black color it has originally, and then boom, we have our design replicated. And you save your job, save as logo, name logo. Alright, name logo. I saved it before, like just say name logo 2, and you go back and then you click OK. And once you're done, you now save the image. You come here, you save as PNG, and you can save as Ultra, and you save. Very quickly, once you have been able to do this, then you can go back and see the picture you just created in your gallery. Alright guys, so this is how to create a very simple logo design for your brand. I will show you how to use this logo design in other designs subsequently. If you're new, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you now next time. Peace out guys.